All right, we will be tracking each and every details and bringing you more ground reports as far as the monsoons is concerned. But shifting focus to some breaking news coming in this time, the Delhi Ordinance war is in top court. As we know, Supreme Court has issued notice to the centre. The centre's reply is sought in 2 weeks' time. Notice is over Delhi government's plea. The Delhi government is opposing the ordinance on services. As we all know, the Delhi services war is continuing. The next hearing in Supreme Court is on 17th of July. The Supreme Court has refused to stay the ordinance on services. Pulkit is joining us live on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Pulkit, इस वक्त दिल्ली के ऑर्डिनेंस पे जो हियरिंग चल रही थी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने नोटिस इशू किया है सेंटर को, इस पर और जानकारी दीजिए।
देखिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की तरफ से नोटिस इशू किया गया है और साथ ही अध्यादेश पर 2 हफ्ते बाद सुनवाई की बात कही गई है। लेकिन दिल्ली सरकार की तरफ से कोशिश ये थी कि किसी भी तरीके से इस पे अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट रोक लगा दे और जब सुनवाई आगे हो तो उस पर सुनवाई जारी रहे। लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अभी कोई रोक नहीं लगाई है, सिर्फ नोटिस इशू किया गया है। और साथ ही जब बातचीत हो रही थी, यानी कि दोनों वकीलों की तरफ से अपनी अपनी दलीलें दी जा रही थी, तो जो अभी थोड़े दिन पहले 400 लोगों को हटाया गया है उनका भी जिक्र किया गया। सरकारी वकील की तरफ से कहा गया कि उन 400 लोगों को हटाया गया, लेकिन साथ ही सेंटर की तरफ से कहा गया कि किस तरीके से इन 400 लोगों को सरकार के द्वारा नौकरियां दी गई थी अपने अपने लोगों को। तो ये तमाम चीजें सुप्रीम कोर्ट में लाई गई हैं। अब 2 हफ्ते बाद देखना होगा कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का रुख क्या होता है, लेकिन फिलहाल अभी इस अध्यादेश पर कोई रोक नहीं। और साथ ही 2 हफ्ते के बाद 2 हफ्ते के दौरान नोटिस जो इशू हुआ है उस पर सेंटर को अपना जवाब भी देना होगा।
जी पुलकित, धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। माय कॉलीग Nilashish is also joining me on the phone line to give us more details on this. Nilashish, the ordinance war reached the Supreme Court today, and now the Supreme Court has, of course, issued a notice to the centre. It has sought a reply, but it has refused to stay on the order.
Yes, absolutely. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, appearing for the Delhi government, was vehemently seeking a stay, saying that the ordinance tries to nullify over 400 appointments and there is no such immunity, saying that this is a serious issue where imagine the meeting where the chief minister is in minority and 3 bureaucrats are sitting against them. That is a serious issue. Now, what Abhishek Manu Singhvi went on to say was that the Supreme Court could step in and give a qualified stay and call it very soon. That way, the manner in which the ordinance was promulgated is something that the Delhi government is looking to have quashed, saying that the minority voice is that of the elected government, given the fact that the ordinance has come into play merely 8 days after the Supreme Court judgment was delivered on the 11th of May. However, the CJI-led bench of the Supreme Court has issued notice to the centre and the LG as well, after impleading him as a party, and has sought a response from both those parties within 2 weeks. But as far as the stay is concerned, the court has refused to grant interim relief and said that the matter will be taken up on the 17th on the issue of this interim relief of stay. So as of now, of course, this matter will come up on the next date of hearing, wherein we expect that Abhishek Manu Singhvi will again vehemently push for the ordinance to be stayed, saying that it practically renders the Supreme Court judgment null and void, and it makes the Aam Aadmi Party government, the elected government, a minority voice in this case.
All right, Nilashish, thank you for getting us those details on that story.